Right, so
You don't.
yeah, just have to stay quiet now. Tell it. Live, I show you. Yeah.
You bring your phone. Come with the viral live. You know.
You know your risk.
Yeah. I make my boy set it up there right now.
Ah, bro.
I see the backdrop. Man,
You live already, man.
see the backdrop. I see the backdrop.
Clean, so. Aromati.
Just like in the movie.
Yes, man. Yes, man. I'm moving this way. I know.
Okay. I make DYFA fix it for you. I'm going to share the live.
All right, we're good. Ladies
So,
and gentlemen, everything you move.
You see?
We move right now. We're
You see?
moving right now. Huh?
Come.
We-
Hold on then. Click the scene for me so she could, and she got one people in a new year.
All right.
Could share the live.
Yes, you have to share the live. Yes. Why? You got a Facebook posting at the right, Joe? We on it now. Right now, we on already.
Yeah.
Right now. You got a Facebook posting at the right, Joe? We on it now.
Quite see there.
All right, good. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. You could be, I don't know, somewhere in Israel, but I'll hook up this thing in the meantime because we got something special coming up alongside the Cool Ruler. You're on live on 91.7 from DYFA Garifuna radio station here in beautiful culture capital, as you can see behind us, inside the sargasm on the beach, Laro Bay again, Wayabi. And hey, I can tell you something. Hey, tomorrow night, no?
Yeah, tomorrow night, early from about. I think the gate now open at least maybe about 6 o'clock, so early.
6 o'clock.
Yeah. So come in and pick your spot, all the ladies, them, you know.
All right.
Yeah, come in one time.
This Jews, you got internet for your phone, right?
Yes.
All right, good. All right, I know how you do it. All right, so right now, DYFA will give it to you as it comes live and direct into your living room. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna give away before the NI show. Bob, I'll give away a ticket, man. Just one.
I'm gonna call you right here, the promoter. We are calling
We still have to give away one. We're calling live right now too.
Yeah.
I can't hear live right now too.
Yeah.
We have to treat the people.
Yeah, we have to treat them
Right.
well, then them man as good.
Correct.
That's right.
The Mother's Day thing.
Yeah.
Sita, you're going clear. Sit there. Good.
Share the live.
Share the live, ladies and gentlemen. Bob.
DYFA.
All right, so sir.
Yeah, man, it's all good to be here for this afternoon. Come to share the live, you know, that DYFA radio station, big.
Yeah.
So we try to get everything together one time with this beautiful backdrop of the ocean and everything. So we get ready for like tomorrow night, you know.
Boy, this thing, I hear about this for a whole year now.
Yeah.
Every month we hear about this, man, and it's finally coming to a reality. It's finally coming to fruition.
Yeah.
Finally coming to life, ladies and gentlemen. And we're excited for the mothers, man. Nothing more special than having a mother.
Mm-hmm.
And the importance of having a mother.
Mm-hmm.
And I know how you put it down for the man there.
Oh yeah, you have to take care of a man till she died. Tony Bombush. So that already happened.
So ladies and gentlemen, we want the people to come out to the show for tomorrow night then. Come out early, lot of food, lot of drinks, beautiful entertainment, a big lineup. You know, I've never seen a lineup like this in a while, and it's a treat. It's a treat, but
you have to turn off tomorrow night, yeah. So for all the mothers, young and old, everybody will get ready. All the girls try to get their hair done and nails and stuff. Everybody try to get anything. Some people don't buy them tickets, and so it'll be exciting tomorrow night. You know, yeah, my big lineup for Garifuna Collective one. The whole lineup. Wagera, the drummers, oh, boy, it's too much to mention.
Man, for how much? What's the price? What?
About 40 bucks if you got a ticket, maybe they take about 50 than the door.
Yeah, I
If you
mean,
don't get so the last side the ticket name.
and this will be the biggest event for the whole country. I see it because
Yeah.
last year when they sing a bus, and then we see the lineup,
Yeah.
instantly people start making a plan. Like we say, the ladies buy a reel here, have enough time for buy a reel here for go out there.
Opinion.
Nails done.
Yeah, this is human. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the human here. This is another 250 pack of one.
Wow, this is another $20 pack.
No.
Another $20 pack.
No, that's a good thing. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, expect the $20 pack for tomorrow night. Ladies, gents, please treat the ladies at least one time. Treat them with their hair.
Yeah.
Treat them with their nails, with the toes,
Yeah.
right? Eyelash, everything. Bring it out. Lipstick too. We don't want no female out there without any lipstick.
Yeah.
One time, man. If we could rub it off when we get in there, but
Yeah.
or party it off because the entertainment was going to be.
If you don't got lipstick, you put on lip gloss.
Why you guy? Why you guy?
Yeah.
Why? Okay.
When they buy time, where are you?
Whenever I.
You are there look good.
All right, I want to big up our viewers right now. Jazare Thomas Acosta, he's saying that this is a nice backdrop. Thank you very much,
Yeah.
Thomas. Tristan Lewis, Thomas Acosta, Susan Lopez, Maria Gomez, Christine Flores, Fats Lolo Ferguson,
Right, share the light.
Adeline Roches Martinez, Agnes Flores, Verona Ramos, Monique Martin, Adele Roches Martinez, Judith Kutikor, and the list goes on and on and on and on. Look, we can't list all our names, right? Because I always say that for they give them the love, but we can't list everybody right now. But we're encouraging everybody to come out tomorrow night. Ocean View.
Yeah.
Ocean View, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be
right.
something spectacular, something hype, something by the true nature. It is going to be Mohawk Flores headlining this big lineup full of pack action.
Yeah.
But
Like living colors tomorrow night. Yeah. You know that Mohawk Flores. Right just so like he been fine rain. Yeah. Roots and culture, everything in one, you know.
One win.
Fine rain.
But win.
So yeah.
Please look at the middle of your screen, ladies and gentlemen. You could see the information there, the prices, and I think they have tables as well. That $30 extra for tables. Make sure you shine those shoes tonight. And since we'll be on the beach, you never know what could happen. So you could be versatile.
Yeah.
Flip them off if you want, right? But tomorrow night it's going to be special. Hams Flores, boy, pick up yourself. Natty Boomar, Shireen Williams, Drea Lopez Ford, Sharon Martinez, the whole crew.
Yeah,
Lot of Martinez and Flores step by the singer, man.
Yeah, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. on people. On all the ladies, they want to big up on themselves. Tomorrow night on the day. Yeah, all day, right through the night. So want to handle yourself and look good. And come out and enjoy yourself. Listen to some good genre of music. Totally eat, drinks, that gives away surprises, giveaways and things. So on the corner, you can enjoy yourself. Can remember the fine rain one out there? Yeah, original Gregalizian one about.
Well, I want to make an announcement tonight that DYFA is not going to be showing the show tomorrow because we want people to come out to the show.
All right, you're not stream.
We're not streaming tomorrow.
All right, you want everybody come out. You
Yeah,
have
everybody
to
come
come out.
Everybody come out.
Yeah.
But there's a big but. There's a big but to it. Right? If we fill up the place by midnight, then we are showing the rest. Maybe we make a deal.
Yeah.
Right? If we don't fill up the place by midnight, we will show it to you live.
Yeah.
Okay? So that is a deal.
So once it's done full,
Once it's done full,
you can make sure they come on between 12 and 1.
all right. See?
I play for the
Prime time.
Yeah. No, I play for the elderly people. Them. I want to catch me people.
Side to side.
Yeah. You have to roll here. So, and the rest, when I let it go, you know, then the thing, but that time and then the place I'm done, then you want to stream now and catch the rest.
All right. So ladies and gentlemen, that is a deal. We're not going to stream this thing out. We want people to come out. Right?
Yeah.
If the place full, packed, and jam. I want to go down low to the rhythm and side to side.
Yeah.
We are show it on them.
Yeah, we are streaming.
Right? We are stream it. So I will tell the staff to take a. They what they there.
Yeah.
They will be there. I'm taking my wife, right?
Yeah.
So first time when I see me dance, I will dance. She want to make a dance, so I will dance.
Yeah.
I will dance, right?
Allah Guru,
Right? You guys haven't seen me dance, but I will dance, right? I will dance, but
Yeah,
I will dance. Nabina,
Yeah.
Nabina have, right?
So
Right.
I'll be glamorous, I'll be nice to the Greater people here and woman abroad.
Yeah.
A lot of people come in from friends to this event.
But
Yeah.
the rest wanna make it. So those who are here, we got to full up and pack Ocean View,
Yeah.
so we could show it to the people out the world.
Yeah.
So those people out the world, you have a responsibility now. Make sure you send that $50 Western Union to the people not gonna make it go watch the show.
Yeah.
They got cash up Western Union, Zelle,
Oh, yeah.
all kind of thing now, right?
Yeah.
So send it to your people, make them enjoy themselves. Lot of manners here.
Yeah. The girl have to look good tomorrow night. Today, all the salon and done full.
Hey, book out.
Yeah, all the salon and done book out. Yeah, all the shop and done full. Sometimes when people are getting the thing from foreign, the package don't come in already. Yeah. So now what will happen today? Tomorrow night, DYFA. We look out now for the biggest event in the history of the Gregor for Mother's Day.
Just for manners.
Yeah. And original Gregalism was first on the front line when my show commander between that hours there. So people are the lookout to that and people are the wait to that event. So Chico and the boy there will come. So we make we give ourselves ready all the artists there. Yeah, be short but sweet. So make we give ourselves tomorrow together. I think rehearsal time tomorrow will be between 2 o'clock, I believe. So we are spread the word there, we are share that.
But I really want to give a ticket take now by.
As soon as you
I call your roommate to man. Hold on, I call him man right now.
tell her,
If the man say it's a go,
yeah,
it's a go,
yeah,
right? But
you have to get a ticket.
well, you know that is a must.
Yeah.
That is a must, right?
Yeah.
We push out this thing and this thing have to happen. We have to support, right? We have to support. But ladies and gentlemen, if you're not seeing no live, that's because I'm partying.
Yeah.
Every time under the party, and I don't get a chance to party.
Yeah, you the work.
Right at the work. I have to party too, man. Come on, my people, man. Bob, what do you think, man? I have to party, right?
Yeah. You have to enjoy this man has day, this someone time you have to enjoy this.
All right, no, I put some pressure for you now.
You have to enjoy this one, yo.
Stream it or not stream it?
Your part when you the party?
No, that about the show.
You sure? No, after 12 and things, because then I'll be prime time. You have to say, don't so we're like we want to pack this place.
Yeah.
Yeah, this venue. And once it done full now, I say, all right, go down and haul up my machine now. I'm a drone and one haul up because we want to catch an alpha upstairs.
Why?
And that's going to world.
Yeah.
And like all in and then people if they knew, say, wow, I miss I think buy me ticket. But
why?
everybody done, yeah.
All right.
So we have to make up your mind. Because once when you start party, you don't want to haul out the machine and start work. So you just want to take the night off.
Yeah. But I don't tell the people already if they want it.
Yeah,
If they want to sit, they have to pack the place.
why? Directly,
To pack the place. We must to pack the place first.
Yeah.
Most what do the saints, right? Right? Good.
So what happen if the people they start call after 12 1, why? Why we
The
want
pressure left above. Why I will have an answer for that. I will tell our people, look, that Bob say make we not show the thing now.
Yeah.
I may want to show it, but Bob say, well, Bob, I believe so. The our funds and joke aside that this place is going to be packed.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the talk of the tongue right now, right? So it has to be packed.
Ocean View Live.
Ocean View Live.
Yeah,
So any final thoughts, any final words to the people, encouragement there, Bob?
my encouragement that like we could get ourselves together for the first time for the Gregalian people, home and abroad. And we could get ourselves together for tonight. I mean tomorrow night. Ocean View Live. Yeah, it happened. So we are encouraging the people and the encouragement right just somebody come out and support yourself, and especially the mothers there, young and old. And come out and have a nice time. Yeah. Trust me, I'll be nice. Enjoy all of the music there, all the melodies and verses and the lines and the music. Yeah, enjoy the kind of the original music to stay.
Yeah.
So that can be nice to the mothers, the young and old. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank my sponsors for tonight, for today, right? I always got to pick up my sponsor, Rude Boy. Thank you very much for sponsoring, right? Miss Jubilee Foundation, West Track, thank you very much to make it possible. Those are the people that always, behind the scenes, ladies and gentlemen. Those are my sponsors, right? That make me move around. You need gas for the vehicle, you need all the expenses, and you need data. There's a lot of little things that we need to make it so you guys could be able to see it free.
Yeah.
Of course, it's always been free. Of course, it's for you guys to see the live, right? It's a service for our community. So I want to thank my sponsors, Goodbye, Westtrack, and I also want to thank Jubilee Foundation, those three, because I'm a big sponsor also making it possible.
But, so we're big up Westtrack for like sponsor DYFA.
Correct.
Big time, the Rude Boy people in. So we're giving them thanks and praises for all the time to keep it moving.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah. Correct. They pay the bills for the whole year. I can't thank them much, right?
Yeah.
But besides that, come out tomorrow night, come out. The gal make an appointment, get out on an appointment early. Make know the deal. Get on here done for yesterday. Right? Get anything done.
Yeah.
If the order not come in for traffic, make sure you go pick it up or send somebody go pick up the order one time.
Yes.
Right? The eyelash have to stick on.
Hey. You have to stick on. Why?
Right?
Yeah. And then maybe hospital say,
well, that's right. The mothers, mothers go all the way out,
Yeah.
Right.
So now I get support, man. Let us support for them next tomorrow, man.
All right.
All over.
Good. Thanks again, Bob, for coming out, man. Out this beautiful Riga on Wahima Beach right here. We're having a good time. Come on out tomorrow night, ladies and gentlemen. Ayo.
Peace out.
Ayo.
Mabrigo. All right. Now look at freelance.